Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. A very good evening to you all. What a find we have had today. When I say we got to give it to the local pie man. He is on form. Some people might say that I am the local pie man, as I do quite like a few pies. However, the local pie man is the man that sells the pies, and he has found an absolute beauty of a coin, and it is worth staying around until the end of the video. That is for sure. The coin he's found then is from 2011. And the good news is he looks after these coins for me and gives me them every time I go in. I do get him a odd pint along the way, which I do think is a good trade. And the answer to the question is, which Olympic coin has he been lucky enough to find and give in to the channel? The coin then features the fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the back, looking to the right, designed by IRB. Ian Ranked Brody. Let's not wait any longer. Let's get this coin turned over. And the coin is the Olympic Wrestling 50p coin. I'm sure a few of you will know that the wrestling coin is actually the second rarest out of the 29 Olympic coins released for the London 2012 Games in 2011. And it has been a difficult one to find. If you have stayed this long through the video, a huge shout out to you. I haven't named this one in the title, giveaway or anything, because the guy that gave me the coin said, don't put it as a giveaway, make sure people watch your videos, and if they watch it all the way through, then they will have the chances to get hold of it. So here we go then. If you want to try and get hold of this wrestling coin, all you need to do is comment Pie Man in that comment section below. We're going to give this coin away on Sunday lunchtime, and again, comment Pie Man in that comment section there, and you will be able to have the chance to get your hands on it. The way that the giveaway is going to work, again, it is going to be in the way of the last man standing game. All of your names will go into the lucky bowl. The final name out will win the wrestling coin. Hope you've all had a really nice day today. Again, it has been another beautiful day. I've been really cracking on with the garden, and now it is time for pies for me. Just for a little bit of fun anyway, comment your favourite pie in the comment section below. Mine has definitely got to be a meat and potato, but any other suggestions, get them in there. If it was a pasty, it would definitely be a Cornish pasty, and all those ones that we bought back from Cornwall are definitely, unfortunately, long gone now. Good luck then in the giveaway. It will be Sunday lunchtime. Last man standing game, we'll get a live chat in. Can't wait for that one. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.